Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. You might assume a tougher glove sacrifices feeling, yet this rubber set glides on your skin like silk. The box arrives with 4 pairs of colors, so you can assign each hue to a chore. After sifting through data, it became clear the embossed palm turns slick plates into easy wins. Grease threatens a slip. One buyer shared that a pot of marinara stopped dancing under their grip, turning a frantic rinse into a calm swipe. Meanwhile, the flocked lining whispers comfort. A reviewer described slipping them on after a long shift, hands staying dry, fingers staying nimble for the sink marathon. Durability shines. After dozens of cycles, the latex still resists bleach, though a handful noted a slight shrink after hot water, a minor trade for resilience. Verdict: ideal for home chefs who crave control without sacrificing comfort.